Students of the Northeastern Hill University, Nehu, Shillong held a protest rally and launched a signature campaign on Tuesday opposing the recent arrest of Nehu SU President Sandy Sotun and the deployment of armed police on campus. The Nehu Students' Union condemned the arrest, claiming it was carried out by plainclothes officer without proper procedure. They also criticized the presence of heavily armed police and CRPF personnel, calling it a threat to campus safety and freedom. Nehu General Secretary Nehu Kharsati alleged that police acted without the university's permission and violated legal norms, including the DK Basu guidelines, which require officers to wear uniforms during arrests. Another student was reportedly detained and later released after being mistakenly identified. The union announced an indefinite class boycott until the police leave the campus and demanded accountability from both the police and the state government for the unauthorized intervention.
No more false allegation! 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 Unlawful arrest! We oppose unlawful arrest! We oppose unlawful arrest! We oppose unlawful arrest!
We are living in a democratic country. Every one of us, we have right to choose ourselves. And the student union is choosing. We have, if you are aware, we have also pronounced yesterday that if any police forces tries to enter this particular university illegally, we will call upon indefinite suspension of classes. Why? Because this university is for us. If police personnel are entering arbitrarily, unreasonably, then what is the use of us? Will we really feel safe?
No.
Provided that our university is a residential university, where students, hostelers are also there, what will happen to us? We will always be under constant surveillance. My friends, we have never ever imagined of this kind of incidents that will ever take place in our university. That police personnel will be deployed in such a huge number. Do you really think just to protect one particular person you need 140 police forces?
Never.
To protect one particular, what is so special about this person that you have to deploy 140 police forces? Next time, any one of you who are of the dais, it is upon us to choose. Do we really want to suffer? Do we really want to live in this kind of oppression? Yesterday, let me tell you, from 4 p.m., we came to know, initially, early in the morning, we had no idea that such police personnel have entered inside the campus. It was only later at around 3 p.m. we came to know from some of the students of Geography Department, Commerce Department, they said that some CRPF personnel have been deployed. What's the matter? When we went and talked with the Vice Chancellor in charge, we came to know that from the administration side, there was no such calling of any security personnel whatsoever, especially the CRPF, because there is no tension whatsoever prevailing in the university campus. There was no need of CRPF. Then who deployed them? Who sent them? How do they have the authority to send CRPF inside the campus? Just mere on the basis of the allegation. And now it is to be noted, just to protect one single particular teacher, why was 140 police forces being deployed? Are we all hooligans or what?
No.
Then why are they treating us like this? This is a clear violation towards the rights of the students, the rights of representation. You must be knowing, you must all know, it is an undisputed fact that the Students' Union have raised towards the system. Few months back, we have staged some protests towards the administration for their maladministration, for their ill behavior. But now what do we get in return? We get personal attacks. They come and arrest us with civil uniforms, without proper identification. Do we really deserve this?
No.
Do we really deserve this?
No.
Imagine you guys chose us. And we have raised our voice every now and then when we heard your grievances. Do we really deserve this?
No.
My friends, it is a high time for us to reflect upon the actions of the administration it is high time for us to raise our voices. We have been your voice since day one, and now we need your support in the novel cause. In this novel cause, we are not against the interrogation. We are not against the demand for investigation. We are ready to cooperate. Why? Because we know we are not guilty. We are ready to cooperate. We are not running away. But we don't deserve to be treated like hardcore criminals, that they'll come and drag us. This is not the way. We don't deserve this. None of you deserve this. We are gaining nothing from this. But the demonstration which we have set a few months back has set the university into a momentous journey. I'm telling you, for all of you who have been staying here for quite a long time, you'll see that university is growing. For a very long period of time, the roads of the university were in a very bad condition. Hostels were never repaired. But now, it is taking momentum. We are seeing the difference. I hope every one of you are seeing.
Yes. Yes.
And after all this, what do we get? Such type of illegal arrests.